Hello friends. Today I am here to share about World Television Day. World Television Day is celebrated every year on November 21. This day recognizes that television plays a major role in presenting different issues that affect people. Now let's get to know about some of the significance of watching television, the little history behind this World Television Day, and how do we celebrate it. Now let's get started. Television continues to be the single largest source of video consumption. Though screen sizes have changed and people create, post, stream, and consume content on different platforms, the number of households with television sets around the world continues to rise. The interaction between emerging and traditional forms of broadcast creates a great opportunity to raise awareness about the important issues facing our communities and our planet. The UN acknowledges that television can be used to educate many people about the world, its issues, and real stories that happen on the planet. Television is one of the most influential forms of media for communication and information dissemination. It is used to broadcast freedom of expressions and to increase cultural diversity. The UN realized that television played a major role in presenting global issues affecting people, and this need to be addressed. Now, let's get to know some of the benefits of watching TV. TV helps in education. TV has many educational benefits for children and adults. It can be used as a learning tool both at home and in the classroom. TV helps to stay current. It is a source of news. Tuning into local news allows civilians to stay informed with what is happening in their city. International news shows keep you up to date with breaking news around the world. TV helps to get cultured. It helps in exposing yourself to the cultures of the world can be easily done behind a TV screen. It helps you feel the connection. TV can make you feel less lonely. In some ways, watching TV can act as a filler for spending time with friends and family. It helps in family bonding. Family bonding is a great benefit of watching TV together. Spending time together as a family watching a television program provides a chance for everyone to connect and unwind. Bonding over a favorite TV show provides opportunity for lifelong memories. It helps to learn a new language. Expose yourself to new language you want to learn. A great way to learn a new language is to watch TV shows in different language you are interested in learning. Next is, it helps to relieve stress. TV can relieve your stress. There are many health benefits to watching TV. If a certain show makes you laugh, there are health benefits to that. Laughter is the best medicine. TV can reduce your cortisol levels. It is also nicknamed as stress hormone. Next is, TV helps to save money. TV provides a cheap form of entertainment saving money if you compare it to going out to the movies or to a live show. TV also helps to get inspired. TV can inspire you or your kids to try new things or pick up a new hobby. Now let's get to know about the little history behind this World Television Day. Now, moving on to the little history behind this World Television Day. Television represents a symbol for communication and globalization in the contemporary world. On 21st and 22nd November 1996, the United Nations held the first World Television Forum where leading media figures met under the auspices of United Nations to discuss the growing significance of television in today's changing world and to consider how they might enhance their mutual cooperation. This was done in recognition of the increasing impact television has on the process of decision making. Television was thus acknowledged as a major tool in informing, channeling, and affecting public opinion. On December 17, 1996, the UN General Assembly proclaimed November 21 as World Television Day to commemorate the date on which the first World Television Forum was held earlier that year. the UN invited all member states to observe the day by encouraging global exchanges of television programs focusing, among other things, on issues such as peace, security, economic and social development, and cultural change enhancement. Now, moving on to the celebration of this World Television Day. World Television Day is a time to rewatch and relive some of the greatest moments of television that help bring the reality of a rapidly technologically advancing world into people's home, forever changing their lives and how they perceive the world. World Television Day is a day to renew governments, organizations, and individuals' commitment to support the development of television media in providing unbiased information about important issues and events that affect society. News about World Television Day may be shared via online and broadcast media. Television and radio bloggers may write comments, editors may write in the editor's column about this event. Educational institutions may mark World Television Day on their calendars, and educators may use this day as an opportunity to invite guest speakers to discuss media and communication issues relating to television. Discussion topics may include like how television promotes cultural diversity and a common understanding, the links between democracy and television, the role of television in social, political, and economic developments. So I hope you enjoyed knowing about this World Television Day, some of the benefits of watching TV, the little history behind this World Television Day, and how do we celebrate it. So thank you all for watching. If you like my video, kindly like, comment, share and subscribe for more videos.
Thank you.